Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Let's continue and start with morning meeting.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday.
The month is April. What is the month? April.
Yay! So today's the last day of April, guys. So today is Thursday, April the 30th, 2020. So what is today? Today is Thursday the 30th, 2020. The weather today is going to be partly sunny, probably in the 90 degrees, so it's probably going to be a little hot. For life skills, I hope you are still working on folding clothing. I hope that the steps that I provided for you are helping you out. Remember to exercise and be active, and always drink a lot of water, especially because it's getting hot, guys. For our social skills, we're still discussing what our favorite candy is. I know I have mentioned Twix, I mentioned Snickers. Another candy that I really absolutely like is stuff that is very spicy, so like Sour Belts with chamoy. Oh, those are really good. What's your favorite candy? So for today's agenda, we're working on IEP goals. Everything else, make sure you complete. If you have not picked up your packet, it is okay. Just write it on a piece of paper. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and then I can go ahead and help you out. All right, let's get started.